So this is the second part of my swing setups. So if you had missed my previous video, just a quick recap on the Nifty levels. So we saw that we are forming a good channel or a wedge pattern, and I'm thinking that the up move would continue, uh, probably with little pullbacks here and there. So we are currently placed here too. So I'm thinking maybe we will hit 200, 22, 200 or 300 levels, take a pullback at around 21,800 and then move again up back, right? So okay, going on to my next set of stocks for this week, which I think might give us a potential break. So we got uh, is really nicely placed, and it has been on an up move since last year or so. I think there's been a really nice move. As we can see, it has moved almost 70% in what might look like a pennant or a flag maybe. But again, I'm just considering this particular area here, this formation here. So just considering that at a daily frame, uh, it looks like a descending pattern, so technically it should mean that it will break down and come, which also could be supported by the fact that it has just hit its all-time high. So there is a potential that it might come down maybe up until 240 levels and then move back up. But I mean, it could also be a consolidation level. So I'm just taking a guess here. All I'm thinking is, say, it could move up back up until, say, give us an 8% move and then maybe retreat back. But high chances that it would not. It probably would break the 280 levels and then come down up until 240 or at least, say, 250, 60 levels and then pull back. We'll have to wait and watch on this. Um, the next one for me is Aditya Birla, which has been on a really great up move since April of 23, which is almost 8 months now, and there is no show of retreat anywhere, and it has just reached a really strong level of resistance, that is 480 to 500, which is like a zone for me. I'm considering it as a zone, so I'm not going to take a set trade until it breaks, say, 501 or 2, and then I would probably target 540 or 580 based on how it moves. I mean, if it's going to go strongly with strong momentum, then yeah, I will probably target 584 or maybe make a quick trade at 545 and exit. It depends on how the trade is going to move, but I have a strong uh, feeling that it's going to break this time because got the volume has been building up nicely. If you look at it at weekly time, as you can see, there is definitely good accumulation. So yeah, it could move. Or the worst case, I think it might take us quick pullback and hit 450 or 55 levels and then move back up again. So yeah, especially with how the Nifty is moving. So yeah, I mean, if it takes a pullback, even better trade, we could be looking at a little more money there, and which would give us say 20 or more. Yeah, that's one for this week again. And next on my list is the LG equipment, which is a really good setup for um, a break. I'm pretty sure this is going to give a break either way this week, but because it is forming triangle pattern and it has just come back from its previous high in July of 23, there is the probability that we might be able to treat this as a pullback, right? So it was here. We could probably, or maybe, yeah, I think this, yeah, we could probably consider this as a double top or something, you know. And then if it's going to break this, I'm pretty sure it will hit 580, its previous high at around 8%. And if this double bottom is going to considered, then yeah, it might actually break its all-time high level and move further up. So, but I think we will know a result on this one in the upcoming week. And the next one on my list is Burger Pains again, which has been on a good up move since last it's almost 9 months, and has given a 50% move in since say February of 23 to September, so that's in a 6 month move. And then it has taken a pullback, trying to break 590 level. So if it breaks, I'm thinking it will give us a quick 10% move to 660. And depending on how that move works, we might be able to wait for a 20% move to 720, which is its previous all-time high. But that was from July of 21 and has never been breached. So, but 660 is a strong target level because it has, as you can see, it has acted as both support and resistance multiple times. Okay, yeah, I think this probably might make the move this week, depending on how the market is, or it might just keep consolidating for a few more weeks. We'll have to just wait and watch on this one.